friends, welcome you all on CS Academy channel. I am back again with the C++ series. या लेक्चरमध्ये आज आपण इनहेरिटन्स कंटिन्यू करणार आहे आणि मागच्या लेक्चरमध्ये जसं इनहेरिटन्सचं बेसिक्स बघितलं होतं, इनहेरिटन्सचं इंट्रोडक्शन बघितलं होतं. सो या लेक्चरमध्ये आज आपण डिफरंट टाईप्स ऑफ इनहेरिटन्स बघणार आहे आणि आजचा आपला लेक्चर नंबर आहे 21. सो आत्तापर्यंत आपण 20 लेक्चर्स C++चे कंप्लीट केलेले आहेत. सो तुम्हाला C++ प्रोग्रामिंग लँग्वेजची थोडी आयडिया आलेली असेल. सो तुम्ही जर मिस केले असतील व्हिडिओज तर प्लेलिस्ट चेक करा C++ची आणि पूर्ण व्हिडिओज चेक करा. ओके, अँड प्लीज subscribe CS Academy channel, share with your friends so that they also get benefit of this video, and these videos are totally free. So please support CS Academy channel. If you have any query, let me know in the comment section. I will provide the solution of your each and every doubt. Okay, so join our Telegram group. So I will share the IMP notes or IMP questions on the Telegram. Okay, so in this lecture we are going to learn the different types of inheritance. So first of all, we know that what is an inheritance. So inheritance is a basic and the important properties of C++. In object oriented programming, the inheritance is a very important feature. Okay, so what is inheritance? We get properties from one class to another class. There are the two classes. One is a parent class, second one is a child class. The parent class is also called as a base class and child class is also called as a derived class. So the properties which are already defined into the base class, we use the already defined properties into the derived class. This mechanism is called as an inheritance. So inheritance is a getting properties from one class to another class. This mechanism is called as an inheritance. So we already covered all the basics, all the important notes and the basic introductory part of inheritance in the previous lecture. If you missed that video, go in the description or check out the playlist of C++ from CS Academy channel. Okay, so let's start our today's lecture, different types of inheritance, C++ lecture number 21. Okay, so there are 5 types of inheritance in C++. There are the 5 types of inheritance. So how we can get the properties of one class from one class to another class? So there are the 5 different types. So first type is single inheritance. Single इनहेरिटन्स मध्ये आपण काय करतो, 2 क्लासेस आहेत आपल्याकडे, एक आहे बेस क्लास आणि दुसरा आहे डिराइव्ड क्लास. सो इनहेरिटन्स मध्ये आपण काय म्हटलं की देर आर द 2 क्लासेस, वी गेट द प्रॉपर्टीज फ्रॉम बेस क्लास to derived class. This mechanism is an inheritance. In single inheritance there are only 2 classes, one is a base class and derived class. So the one class derives another class. This mechanism is called as a single inheritance. Single inheritance means there are direct connection in between base class and derived class. So there are the two classes and they are directly connected to each other through inheritance. So B will get the all properties of A. So derived class with only one base class as a single inheritance, called as a single inheritance, means the derived class which have only one base class, that inheritance is called as a single inheritance. You can understood by this diagram, and please note it down so that it will give you a basic idea what is the single inheritance, what is the multi-level inheritance, what is the multiple inheritance, hierarchical inheritance. Okay, so there are 5 many types and we will cover all the different types of inheritance in this lecture. So please focus and note it down. Okay, so single inheritance means the derived class which have only one base class, that inheritance is called as a single inheritance. Means there is only one base class and one derived class, the derived class get all the properties from base class to derived class. So this is a single inheritance. Next one is there is a multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance. So what is multi-level? The mechanism of deriving one class from another class, another derived class, is called as a multi-level inheritance. So there are the multi-level means there are the number of layers, more than one layers are present, more than one levels are present. So there is a grandfather, father get properties from grandfather, and the child get properties from father. So this one is a chain. So there are the multiple levels, multiple levels. So in object oriented programming the same concept is used. So there are the base class. Base class gives properties to the intermediate base class, and intermediate base class gives properties to the derived class. Okay, so deriving properties from one class to another class called as a multi-level inheritance. Means deriving one class from another derived class. Means आता इथे बेस क्लास कोणता झाला? ए. A is a base class, so A is a grandfather. Grandfather derives B, that is father, and B gives child. Okay, so there are the multiple levels, more than one. This one is a level 1, level 2, level 3. So there are the multiple levels. So this inheritance is called as a multi-level inheritance. So A gives to B and B gives to C. ओके, म्हणजे ए कडच्या जे प्रॉपर्टी आहे ती बी ला आणि बी कडच्या प्रॉपर्टी सी ला असे लेवल बाय लेवल जे इनहेरिटन्स चाललेलं आहे त्या इनहेरिटन्सला आपण काय म्हणतो? मल्टी लेवल इनहेरिटन्स. द मेकॅनिझम ऑफ डिरायव्हिंग वन क्लास फ्रॉम अनादर डिराइव्ड क्लास, म्हणजे जो ऑलरेडी डिराइव्ड झालेला आहे त्याच्यापासून अजून एक क्लास डिराइव्ड करणे, त्याला काय म्हणतात? मल्टी लेवल इनहेरिटन्स. ओके, so this is a multi-level inheritance. Next one, multiple inheritance. The third type of inheritance is a multi-level inheritance. So multi-level inheritance आपण पाहिलं. आता आपण बघणार आहे multiple inheritance. So third type is multiple inheritance. So multiple inheritance, what is meant by the multiple inheritance? When a class is derived from a several base classes is called as a multiple inheritance. As I already told you that in single inheritance there is only one base class. In single inheritance the derived class have only one base class. So what is the difference between single inheritance and multiple inheritance? Multiple inheritance derived from several base classes, means there are the multiple base classes are present, and in single inheritance there is only one base class is present. Okay, so multiple inheritance means there are several base classes, है ना. हा झाला पहिला, हा झाला दुसरा, है ना, आणि हा तिसरा. या तिघांना मिळून आपण काय केला? हा डिराइव्ड क्लास तयार केला. बरोबर, तिघांच्या प्रॉपर्टी एकत्र केल्या, तिघांच्या प्रॉपर्टीज एकत्र करून, म्हणजे हा जो डी आहे या डीला, हा डी जो आहे हा याच्याही प्रॉपर्टी यूज करू शकतो, B2च्याही प्रॉपर्टीज यूज करू शकतो, अँड B1च्याही प्रॉपर्टीज यूज करू शकतो. द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ B1 B2 अप टू BN, म्हणजे कितीही बेस क्लासेस असू शकतात. सो द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ सेव्हरल बेस क्लासेस आर ॲसेसिबल टू दिस डिराइव्ड क्लास. ओके, सो इन मल्टिपल इनहेरिटन्स देर आर सेव्हरल बेस क्लासेस, and in single inheritance there is only one base class. That is the main difference in between the multiple inheritance and single inheritance. Understood? So when a class is derived from a several base classes called as a multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance. So you will get the basic idea and the basic fundamental of multiple inheritance from this diagram. So note it down and draw this diagram in your notebook. So it will help you in your revision aspect. Okay. So understood what is the multiple inheritance? Multiple inheritance. In multiple inheritance there are the several base classes, and the class which is derived from the several base classes called as a multiple inheritance. What is a single inheritance? The class which is derived from the single base class called as a single inheritance. Second one कोणतं होतं? Second one होतं multi-level inheritance. Okay, so multi-level inheritance मध्ये आपण पाहिलं होतं की there are the multiple levels are present. multiple levels are present. So in multi-level inheritance, the one class is derived from another derived class. One class is derived from another derived class, that is called as a multi-level inheritance. And in multiple inheritance, the class is derived from the several base classes. Okay, so there are so many base classes are present, and that by using that so many base classes, we derive the new derived class. So this is a multiple inheritance. Okay, don't be confused. Next one. So next one है hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance. So we know that how to draw a tree. So we know that the basic idea about the tree diagrams. Okay. So the trait of one class may be inherited by more than one classes. This process is known as a hierarchical inheritance. Okay, so means त्याच्यामध्ये काय आहे, बेस क्लासमधून सेव्हरल डिराइव्ड क्लासेस तयार होतात. ओके, सो हायरार्की आपण कशाला म्हणतो, तर ट्रीमधून दोन परत ब्रांचेस, जसं आपण ट्री तयार करतो. सो ट्रीला आपण असं लिहू, सपोज दाखवते एक मिनटं. आपण जसं ट्री डायग्राम काढतो ना, सो ट्री डायग्राममध्ये काढतो ना, सो दिस वन इज अ बेस क्लास, आणि या बेस क्लासपासून आपण नेक्स्ट डिराइव्ड क्लास तयार केला. जसं मल्टिपल इनहेरिटन्समध्ये काय असतं की मल्टिपल इनहेरिटन्समध्ये आपण काय करतो, मोर दॅन वन बेस क्लास असतो, पण हायरार्किकल इनहेरिटन्समध्ये काय असतो, मोर दॅन वन डिराइव्ड क्लास असतात. बेस क्लास काय असतो, सिंगल बेस क्लास असतो, आणि डिराइव्ड क्लास काय, मोर दॅन वन डिराइव्ड क्लास असतात. ओके, सो ट्रेट ऑफ वन क्लास मे बी इनहेरिटेड बाय मोर दॅन one classes. Okay, this process is known as a hierarchical inheritance. So hierarchy means the tree diagrams. Okay, so this is a concept of hierarchical inheritance. Understood? So next one is a hybrid inheritance. So what is hybrid inheritance? The hybrid inheritance means the inheritance which involve more than one inheritance is called as a hybrid inheritance. There are so many types. So combine any two types of inheritance. So combine any two types of inheritance, and that inheritance is called as a hybrid inheritance. Means you may add single inheritance with multiple inheritance with hierarchical inheritance. There is no any compulsion in hybrid inheritance. So inheritance which involve more than one inheritance called as a hybrid inheritance. Okay, for example, above figure involves the hierarchical, multiple and multi-level inheritance, and the resultant inheritance is called as a hybrid inheritance. So there is a multiple inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, and multi-level inheritance. Means the B gives the properties to the AD and C. So this one is a hierarchical inheritance. B gives A to D. This one is a hierarchical inheritance. And B, AD and C gives to D. So this is a multiple inheritance. So for D class, there are the two base classes. One is the AD and second one is a C. So these are the two base classes for class D. So this is a multiple inheritance. Okay, and there are the only one base class for AD and C. So this one is a hierarchical inheritance. So the combination of any two types of inheritance, this one is called as a hybrid inheritance. So this is a very 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 simple technique of inheritance, hybrid inheritance. There is no any compulsion. You can add as you can combine any two types of inheritance, any three types of inheritance, any four types of inheritance, that called as a hybrid inheritance. So basic idea of hybrid means mixing of anything. So this is a basic idea about the hybrid inheritance. So these are the 5 types of inheritance. I hope that you will understand, you got a basic idea about these 5 types. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any query, let me know in the comment section. Please subscribe CS Academy channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get the notification, and please share with your friends. Okay, thank you so much guys. We will catch you in next video.